Hi again, Alfonso, the construction manager for Two Rivers Habitat. Today we are at our home at 420 18th Street in Rochester, and right now we are working on the framing of the house, and a lot has changed. Our volunteers have constructed and have put a lot of work into what you see today, and we've gotten a lot done because of that. The garage is framed up. Our trusses were just delivered for the garage yesterday morning, so we'll be installing those here this week. We also are working on the sheathing. Mainly it's the sheathing of the roof and the sheathing of the walls for the garage. The envelope of the house has already been completed, so in the next week and 2 weeks we'll be able to be weather tight, be able to work inside without rain stopping us anymore. And so we're very excited. It marks a big milestone to have the envelope of the house completed.